Today we'll be making vegan egg rolls. Ingredients include carrots, green onion, cabbage, egg roll wrappers, onion, garlic, ginger, mushrooms, grapeseed oil, coconut aminos, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. Prep your veggies. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder to a bowl. First step, cabbage filling. Add 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to a pot or pan. Next, add green onion, garlic, and ginger, as well as yellow onion, and give it a quick stir. Add mushrooms, cabbage, and carrots. We decided to go ahead and switch it over to a pan. Add 1/4 cup of coconut aminos or soy sauce. Add your spices. Add a little bit of black pepper. Allow the veggies to cook down until soft. Second step, rolling and frying. Add oil to the pan for frying. Place some of the filling in the middle of the wrapper. Dot each corner with water and roll it up. Heat up the oil and place them in the pan gently. Turn them over until both sides are golden brown. Place the egg rolls on a paper towel. Time to eat!